welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping back by. As you can see, today we are in my closet in our home that we moved into in October. And so I wanted to give you a little tour of the closet, but also go over some of the organization that I did within this space. So with that being said, let's get into the tour. Okay, so we walk into my closet and we designed the layout of this when the house was built. So this is kind of how we wanted it. We have two chest of drawer kind of drawer spaces. This one is mine. This one is my husband's. And then we had the shelves built above it and all the way up to the ceiling. You can see there, well, not all the way to the ceiling, but it gives us plenty of room, which you can see we're not using all of the room for storage yet, but it gives us space. So let me move in to here, and here is my side of the closet. And we have baskets up here. This is something that I was really excited about doing. And as you can see, I have the baskets labeled. I bought these little black label kind of clips from Amazon. And I used my Cricut to print out the labels for each basket with what I had in the basket. So you can see here, swimsuits, gifts, miscellaneous, and up there, what is that? Scarves and beanies. You don't need to know what each one is, but anyway. So I put in each basket what I knew I wouldn't be able to do or to keep in the drawers. So I actually got these baskets from Home Goods. These smaller baskets, those were $6.99, and then these baskets up here were $7.99. Those, I actually bought those in several trips around the same time. I would get, you know, two of the bigger ones, two of the smaller ones, and then they wouldn't have any more. And then the next time I would go, they would have more. So I kind of got them all within a few trips, a short time, you know, apart. Then I have some other baskets. That one doesn't have anything in it yet. This one, this is for my small purses. And you can see up here, I have my purses standing up. And one tip that I will say that I have found that's very helpful is when you have a purse, you can make it stand up and keep its shape better when you stuff it. So either use Walmart bags or scarves or blankets or whatever to make your purses stand up better. And then over here, I have all my shoes. Now, for the shoes that I do not have boxes for, I bought these little stands. Let me pull one out for you. So you can adjust it to be flat if you have flats, or if you have heels, you can raise this little platform. And I don't really wear heels, so. But anyway, yeah, I got these from Amazon, and they're plastic, and I think there were like 12 for $10 or something like that. So they weren't really that expensive, but they really are space savers instead of having your shoes, you know, side by side taking up so much room. That's a real space saver. And then above are things that I don't really use that often. Travel bags. I have a box of books up there. And way up there are some photo albums. It's better to keep photo albums up high. That way, if anything were to ever happen, if you live in Louisiana, then you know in 2016 we had a flood And a lot of people lost a lot of stuff. So keep things like photos and stuff up high. This is my husband's side. As you can see, he doesn't like to use the hangers. He uses plastic hangers. I happen to have all of my clothes color coordinated, blues, blacks, grays, and then back there are some reds. But anyway, I have all the same velvet hangers. Here is where I have my jewelry cabinet. So I had to put shorter, like sweaters and whatnot there. And then here I have the longer things. And then I have a little bucket right there for flip-flops. Also down here, you can buy the little dish rack or magazine rack or whatever it is from Dollar Tree. And I have house slippers and little flat kind of slip-on shoes in there. And that's a space saver as well. Anyway, back to my husband's side. He didn't like the velvet hangers, so he is using plastic hangers, and, you know, at least he keeps his side of the closet clean, which is awesome. And then he's got his shoe space, which, believe it or not, he's got a lot of shoes. And then here is a space for our dirty clothes basket. We do have a 3-step kind of step stool because of the fact that the shelves are so high. One thing I also wanted to mention, he has his pants hanging on these little baby hangers. And the reason he uses the baby hangers is because it doesn't give room for them to slide one way or slide the other. And then you have crooked hangers, which is annoying. So yeah, we use the baby hangers for pants. And then we've got this little plastic thing here for socks. He actually does his workout in here, which, since there's enough room in the closet, he just uses this space for his workout space in the morning. So he keeps his weights down there, which is fine. But anyway, this is the closet, the stuff you can see. I'm not going to look in his drawers because he tries to keep it neat. But anyway, so this is my unmentionable drawer. And then in here, I have pajamas, shorts, tank tops. In here, I have shirts. This one is not proper, but I have them folded in the, what is it, the Marie Kondo style. And it does save a lot of space. And it makes getting, you know, picking out your shirts easier. Then, down here are my pants. And I actually need to dwindle this down because as you can see, I don't have enough room for a couple of pairs of the pants, but I have them kind of folded in the same Marie Kondo style so you can see what you're looking for much easier. So yeah, this is my closet. Of course, I had to have a little candle and some plants to kind of just make it look a little elegant in here. But anyway, yeah, this is my closet and some of the organization in the closet. So anyway, guys, that is my closet. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Let me know in the comments below what you liked about it. And if you do any of this organization, whether it's the baskets or the Marie Kondo style of folding in your drawers. And yeah, let me know in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. I like to do home organization, some home hacks, shopping hauls, and so if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And on that note, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.